Hello everyone, I am Ritika Susgar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in the course of Computer Network Technology, today we started our Unit 5. So this Unit 5 is based on ad hoc wireless network. Okay. So in the so first is a wireless ad hoc network, that is WANET. Okay, WANET or mobile ad hoc network. Wireless ad hoc network को हम mobile ad hoc network भी बोल सकते हैं. That is MANET. Is a decentralized type of wireless network. So ad hoc is actually a Latin word that means for this purpose. Okay, so it is often used to the describe the solution that are developed on the fly for a special purpose. So in the computer networking, this ad hoc network refer to the network connection established for a single session and does not require a router or a wireless बेस स्टेशन. ओके, सो जो प्रीवियस वाले जो वायरलेस नेटवर्क इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नेटवर्क्स थे, जैसे कि 802.1116, वहाँ पे हमने उसका आर्किटेक्चर देखा था. ओके, सो वहाँ पे हम क्या यूज करते थे, बेस स्टेशन यूज करते थे और सब्सक्राइबर स्टेशन, मोबाइल स्टेशन. ओके, सो बट अगर हम एड ऑफ वायरलेस नेटवर्क यूज करते हैं, सो वहाँ पे हम कोई भी राउटर नहीं यूज करेंगे, वायरलेस बेस स्टेशन भी यूज नहीं करेंगे. So it does not, so here does not require a router or a wireless base station. So in the ad hoc wireless network, connecting two computers does not always require a centrally management network. Okay, managed network, that is we not require the base station. So instead, users can set up an ad hoc network between the two computers. So the two devices communicate through an Ethernet cable or a wireless card. So this connection is only for the temporary purpose. Okay. So for example, if we need to transfer a file to our friend, okay, someone. So okay. So in the if we need to transfer a file to a friend's laptop, so you might create a ad hoc network mode, okay, between your computer and a friend's laptop. Okay, so to transfer the file. Okay, so this may be done using the Ethernet crossover cable or the computer's wireless card. Okay, सो वहाँ पे हम कोई भी वायर्ड कनेक्शन नहीं करेंगे डायरेक्टली. हम अगर अगर हमें कोई आपके फ्रेंड को अगर कोई भी फाइल को ट्रांसफ़र करना है, सो हम क्या करेंगे, आपके लैपटॉप से दूसरे के लैपटॉप में भी फाइल को ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं यूजिंग द इथरनेट केबल or a wireless card to communicate with each other. Okay, so if we need to share the files with more than one computer, so in that case we could set up a multi-hop ad hoc network which can transfer the data over a multiple nodes. Okay, so basically an ad hoc network is temporary network connection created for a special purpose. Okay, so in the ad hoc network we create only temporary network connection, okay, for the transferring the data from one computer to the another computer. So if the network is set up to the some time period, okay, longer period of time, so it is just a plain old local area network. Okay, so in that the network is a ad hoc because it does not rely on the pre-existing infrastructure. Okay, so अगर कोई भी कंप्यूटर का अगर हमें कनेक्ट करना है, सो उसके लिए कोई भी पहले वाला हमें कम्युनिकेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. ओके, प्री एग्जिस्टिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. जैसे 802.1116 की बात करते हैं, सो उसके आर्किटेक्चर डायग्राम में बताया था, अगर हमें कम्युनिकेशन करना है बेस स्टेशन, मोबाइल स्टेशन और सब्सक्राइबर स्टेशन में, सो हमें क्या करना पड़ता था, कम्युनिकेशन पहले एस्टैब्लिश करना पड़ता था, देन वी कैन कम्युनिकेट. ओके, बट अगर हम एड हॉक वायरलेस नेटवर्क यूज करते हैं, सो उसके लिए प्री एग्जिस्टिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. ओके, सो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मीन्स व्हाट, राउटर्स की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है या फिर वायरलेस बेस स्टेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. ओके, so in the ad hoc network, it does not require the pre-existing infrastructure such as routers and base stations or some access point in the managed wireless network. So in this ad hoc network, each node participate in the routing by forwarding the data to the other nodes, okay, from one node to the another node. So this determination of which node forward the data is a dynamically network in which nodes are free to move. Each nodes are free to move from one node to the another node, okay, multiple nodes. So here in the Windows operating system, the ad hoc network is a communication mode, that is setting mode that allows the computer to directly communicate with each other without a router, without any access point or without any base station. So wireless mobile and mobile ad hoc networks are self-configuring dynamic network in which nodes are free to move. So such wireless network has the complexities of infrastructure setup and administration, enabling the devices to create a joint network. It is called as a on the fly. Okay, every computers can connect to the other computers without any router or without any base station. So this network is called as a on the fly. Okay. So next is each device in a mobile ad hoc network is free to move independently in any direction and will therefore change its link to the other device frequently. So here the each must forward the traffic unrelated to its own use and therefore be a router. So the primary challenge in the building a mobile ad hoc network is equipping each device to continuously maintain the information required to the properly route traffic. So this becomes harder of the scale of this managed or a mobile ad hoc network increases these factors like the desire to route packet to or through every other nodes. Okay, each route traffic is desired to route packet through every other node. Then the percentage of overhead traffic needed to maintain the real-time routing stations. Okay, is traffic needed a real-time routing stations. The third one is the each node has its own good put to route the independent and unaware of others needs. Okay, each जो नोड होगा वो क्या हो करेगा इंडिपेंडेंटली रूट डिसाइड करेगा कि अगर हमारे पास इस टाइप का वायरलेस एड ऑफ नेटवर्क है तो ये डिवाइस क्या करेगा इंडिपेंडेंटली इसको डेटा को इंफॉर्मेशन सेंड कर सकता है या फिर फाइल को सेंड कर सकता है. सो इन ऑल मस्ट शेयर द लिमिटेड कम्युनिकेशन बैंडविड्थ सच एज द स्लाइस ऑफ रेडियो स्पेक्ट्रम. ओके, लिमिटेड कम्युनिकेशन इन द एड ऑफ नेटवर्क कर सकते हैं. So this type of network may operate may be connected to the large internet. Okay, so they may contain one or multiple and different transceivers. Transceivers means for transmitter and receiver, which is called as a transceiver between the nodes. Okay, so here in this ad hoc network, every devices are connected to each other with a large number of internet. Okay, so they may contain one or multiple and different ट्रांसमीटर एंड रिसीवर. ओके, यहाँ पे ये जो डिवाइस है वो ट्रांसमीटर भी हो सकता है, रिसीवर भी हो सकता है. ये वाला जो लैपटॉप है ये ट्रांसमीटर भी हो सकता है, रिसीवर भी हो सकता है. ओके, सो हियर they may contain one or more multiple different transceiver between these nodes. So this is a topology. Okay. Next is how does an ad hoc network work? So let us say that the one person needs to transfer a file over to his friend. Okay, so but this person or the his friend is doesn't have access to a safe Wi-Fi connection, okay, and he can create an ad hoc network, okay. So अगर Wi-Fi connection नहीं, so वो वाला friend क्या करेगा, he can create an ad hoc network. So this ad hoc network is a temporary type called as a local area network. If we set up an ad hoc network permanently, it becomes a local area network. So the multiple devices can use an ad hoc network at the same time, but this might cause a lull in the performance. So users can also employ an ad hoc networks to access the internet. So as long as the hosting device, okay, there is one hosting device, it can access the internet. So this might be useful if only one small area of a location can access the internet, but the multiple people need to get online. So with an ad hoc network, the several devices can share the host device internet access. Okay, एक host होगा और बाकी वाले क्या करेंगे, उसको access करेंगे. Okay, so with an ad hoc network, several devices can share the host device internet access. So employers typically pay well for the jobs that manages this sort of network, especially in the field that demand a lot of travel. So one person can create an ad hoc network between the other between the friend's laptop wirelessly, and long as it within some 100 meters, okay, distance is a 100 meter or about the 320 feet, okay. So so this person can share some data to his friend within range of 100 meter or 320 feet, okay, some feet. So from that point, the person can transfer the file to his friend's laptop, okay. So the person computer is hosting device, and the connection between the two devices will end when the person ends the session, okay. So जो person होगा जिसको फाइल शेयर करनी है फ्रेंड को, वो क्या होगा, होस्ट होगा, कि जब तक कि वो फाइल शेयर नहीं करता है तब तक कि कनेक्शन क्या होगा, एस्टेब्लिश होगा. फाइल ट्रांसफर होने के बाद क्या हो जाएगा, सेशन आउट हो जाएगा या फिर कनेक्शन डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाएगा, ओके. So this connection, so this person can connect to these friends or more than one friends. Okay. So how many devices are connected to this ad hoc network at that time? Okay. Number of computers or number of devices can connect to this host. Okay. So this is the ad hoc network. So wireless ad hoc network is a type of local area network that is built to enable the two or more wireless devices to be connected to each other without requiring the typical network infrastructure. Okay. सो यहाँ पे हमें कोई भी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, बेस स्टेशन नहीं, मोबाइल स्टेशन नहीं, ओके. डायरेक्टली कोई पर्सन को अगर उसके फ्रेंड को फाइल शेयर करनी है, सो उसके लिए कोई इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है, डायरेक्टली वो फाइल को सेंड कर सकता है, ओके. सो हियर in the wireless ad hoc network, all the devices are connected to each other without network infrastructure equipment, okay, like the routers or PlayStation access point. So when the Wi-Fi networks are in the ad hoc mode, each device in the network forwards data that is not intended for itself to the other devices. So because these devices in the ad hoc network can access each other's resources directly through a basic peer-to-peer wireless connection, okay, and central servers are unnecessary for functions such as file sharing and printing. So in this wireless ad hoc network, a collection of devices और कलेक्शन ऑफ डिवाइसेस, ये जो क्या है, ad hoc नेटवर्क के लिए कलेक्शन ऑफ डिवाइसेस है और उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, नोड्स भी बोल सकते हैं, ओके. सो इन दिस वायरलेस ad hoc network is a collection of devices or nodes is responsible for network operations such as routing, security, addresses, and key management. Okay. So next is views of ad hoc wireless network. So deciding when to employ an ad hoc versus infrastructure mode depends on the use. Okay, कहाँ पे हमें ad hoc यूज करना है या कहाँ पे हमें इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मोड यूज करना है, वो डिपेंड होगा कि हमें किस टाइप का नेटवर्क यूज करना है. So ad hoc net, user who wants a wireless router to act as a permanent access point, it should choose a infrastructure mode. Okay, and but the ad hoc mode might be good option for the user setting up a temporary wireless network between a small number of devices. Okay, so कहाँ पे हम इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मोड यूज कर सकते हैं? अगर हमें परमानेंट बेसिस के ऊपर कम्युनिकेशन करना है डिवाइसेस के अंदर, सो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मोड को चूज कर सकते हैं. सो एड हॉक नेटवर्क कब यूज कर सकते हैं? अगर हमें टेम्परेरी बेसिस के ऊपर कम्युनिकेशन करना है, कुछ फाइल शेयर करनी है, ओके, और स्मॉल नंबर ऑफ डिवाइसेस कनेक्ट करके, सो उस टाइम पे हम क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? एड हॉक वायरलेस नेटवर्क यूज कर सकते हैं. So ad hoc networks are used frequently in the new type of wireless engineering. They require the minimal configuration and can be deployed quickly, so which makes them suitable for emergencies such as natural disaster or military conflicts. So consider one example here. One of the most popular uses for an ad hoc wireless network. So connecting multiple wireless endpoint to the internet using a ad hoc intermediate device. Okay. So this intermediate device consists of PCs, or desktop or laptops with some wireless or wired connection to the internet, and a second wireless chip or some antenna to connect other ad hoc wireless capable devices to it for the purpose for sharing the internet access. Thank you.